Hey everybody, so today's video is very different and something I never thought was going to happen. So as the title of the video says, I didn't see this one coming because I didn't. Some of you might have noticed that recently I hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. As I always say, it's never been about the numbers for me. But when I achieved it and I had the notification come up on YouTube to claim my award, I had a big smile on my face. So I thought I would share this with you all, so I've got it as a memory for myself and just to thank you all. Like I said, I didn't ever plan to do this. A little over 6 years ago, I was living abroad. I had a lot of time on my hands and my mum suggested I started a YouTube channel. So a big thanks to my mum, because it was because of her really that I started this, and I began sharing things that I made. And now here we are, and I've built a wonderful community around me, which we call the Muckers, Mixed Up Crafters. We have a fantastic Facebook group and I've made a lot of friends. I'm also in a position now where my hobby is my career, and I work with fantastic people at Craft Stash, and I also have my own range of products. I mean, it literally is just a pinch me moment still. I don't take any of this for granted, and I'm just extremely thankful to you all to allow me to be able to share this all with you, and I'm incredibly humbled by it all. So some of you are probably thinking, Sam, shut up, we just want to see the award. So let's have a look. So I've just cut the sides, hidden my address. This didn't take too long to come either, actually. I was not expecting it as quick as it has. So let's see what we got here. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honoured to take part in recognising your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packed with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. If your award is damaged during shipping, blah 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 blah. And this is by Society Awards. And then this one here. Okay, so this is a nice linen cardstock. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th subscriber, your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Gosh, seeing the number there as well. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed, and their numbers increased because of you and the community you've built. We're proud to honour your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. Who knows, when you reach your 1,000th subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100th subscriber? Yours sincerely, Neil Mohan, head of YouTube. Isn't that lovely? And here it is. Okay, let's have a little look. Oh, it's quite heavy. I don't know, not sure what I was expecting really. And there we go, and you can just see me in it, but I'm not going to show my face too much because it's the end of the day. I'm not looking the best. So it says here, presented to Sam Calcott UK Mixed Up Craft for passing 100,000 subscribers. Isn't that cool? And I can hang it up there as well. There it is. Just move it around a bit there so you can see everything. It's pretty cool, I must admit. It's going to look nice on my wall. I'm not going to be putting this up until I move, and I will be in a new, hopefully bigger space, and I will have this behind me because I hope to have a much better camera setup so I can have, you know, lovely things behind me for you to all see. So I'm just going to keep that in there safe, and I'll pop that back over the top. So again, thank you so much, everyone. It's weird to be classed as like an influencer, a YouTuber, content creator. It was something that was never, ever something I thought of, you know, when I was in school. So it's funny how your life takes you on these paths. So a big thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you for all the likes, all the comments, the shares, and just being my friend, because there's lots of you who are genuine friends, and it's just wonderful, and I wouldn't change it for the world. I'm going to go now because I'm not very good at these kind of things, but I thought I would share it because I know there's going to be a few of you that will really like to see this. And yeah, look out for my videos when I have it hanging behind me. Take care, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.